K.K.S. Tactical Supplies is a family-run establishment in Prince George, British Columbia that gears towards firearms enthusiasts, hunters, and outdoor enthusiasts. My husband Dave really enjoyed the process of hydrographics on a rifle he had done for our son when he was 6, and kind of developed an interest in hydrographics. So as a business, we were attacked federally for the firearms ban, and we're looking for ways to diversify our business so that we could keep our doors open. And we stumbled across Liquid Customs and decided that we would like to try hydrographing here in store. The hydrographic training was really in-depth. It was more than what we were anticipating, and we're really excited to be a part of it. We learned everything from mixing the clear coats and the paint to how to use the spray guns, how to prep the products that we wanted to paint, what kind of products we could dip, and then all about the different types of patterns and how to use them properly, what would look good on what objects, and how to actually dip it properly, which was a lot of fun. More in depth than any of us really thought was involved, which is pretty cool. So we've got some practicing to do. But we're really excited to be able to offer the service to Prince George. It's something that I think will be an asset to our community, and we're just really excited about it. The training was fantastic, a lot of fun. Bobby did a great job with coming all the way from Alberta to give us the time to train us and to help us set up our system properly, to tweak anything that we hadn't thought of. It was a good experience, and now we have the skills that we need to make sure that we offer a really quality service. We're really excited to be a part of the Liquid Customs team, and we are looking forward to being Prince George's only hydrographics provider here in Prince George.